Efe Warri Boy inside studio with me this morning. Efe, how you did this morning? How you
Boss,
did?
I dey fine, oh, boss.
Oh, wahala dey o.
I swear. I may God no let her overwhelm us.
Abi?
Yes, no.
Make you know overwhelm us, na im be the problem. But whether wahala fit stop, you know fit stop now.
No, you
You
can't
go
stop.
always the day.
Yes, no. Some people dey with the game from the wahala, so you know if you stop now.
Hmm.
That's just the thing. People they get paid when wahala dey happen. So
And then the bad part be say some people, even those wey dey close to us, then they see joy in am.
yeah, of course now.
Then they see joy.
Especially when them feel like say they never achieve what they want to achieve and they can see you they achieve am. You know, so once you get your own wahala, they go, no, so all of us now human being because you don't be like spirit to them. Now.
Yes.
So
That's why when NEPA take light for some places, you go check whether only you then take your light.
Naturally.
Abi then take other once you see say then take other people light, you go happy.
Yes,
Thank God.
your mind go balance.
Thank God you say no be only my light. You know, I dey show you the one message where somebody sent to me. Somebody say, say then they wait for some kind people. Say then they find people bad gist. How person go just did they no go get bad gist about him. Now I say with joy the person won't derive in looking for another person downfall. You don't even know this person in question.
They don't need to know again now. You know, social media don't mirror everybody's life. You know, so when they see what the person they post, the most time I assume saying that the person full life be this. So once any bad thing happen, they enjoy since why now they make them feel good.
Make you feel good to what? To what way? In what way? You know, increase money for your account. So what did it make you feel good about?
Some people know like their own life, so they don't mind to destroy your
anyway, not true, Sha.
Yeah.
Even Bible talks say love your neighbor as yourself.
Exactly.
It means say you first love yourself before your neighbor.
Exactly.
So if you don't like your own life,
you don't mind me on that person's point. You know me. Only you not supposed to down. That's how people think.
We all go down.
Straight up.
We go down.
That's why the air man they say it's going down.
It's going down. All right, Efe Warri Boy. So, Efe,
yes,
now
boss.
comedy, plenty people know you as.
Yes,
you can enter music, even though some of us know say na music you start from
Yes.
before you can enter comedy. People think say na the other way around. But then, what me the name of that on a group? You tell me the name of that on a group that year.
KNS virus.
What me the
I swear we don't know.
K?
NS virus. Okay, so the K now for K flow.
Okay.
Me that time the answer explosive. So I dey spell am with the X instead.
Okay.
I lost the E.
Okay.
So both of us now K and X virus.
So what is the virus doing there?
We just need strong name. Just like the question when you ask now, what is virus doing there? The virus first strike you first. So now the idea with the virus, what's happening? They must remember.
but along the line, why you can't leave music? Because music peak. Now comedy rather can't they struggle. Music peak.
Yes, now. That time music no peak for me now. Like, even till now, comedy not peak for me.
But that time you they do comedy.
No. I never. Now make ask me put me for comedy. Now I no plan to do comedy.
Are you serious?
Yes. I no plan comedy at all. As a matter of fact, the show with me I make us meet for now for Port Harcourt. And I even rap. But when we did backstage, I just dey talk. So he can look me and say, you good for this rap the way you do, but you go sabi do comedy. I can say, bros. Now my major problem now say how I want to go tell people say I don't live rap now they do comedy. They'll call they tell me say you fail now.
So now that you fail, you don't want hear.
No, that's why when I start comedy officially, I put failed rapper for my bio.
Yes, I remember saying yes.
So that before you tell me, I don't already.
You don't already tell yourself. But then so far, how we don't be so far?
Thank God.
Okay, so comedy now they put food for table.
Yes, so you're 100%. Yes.
Comedy all the way. Oh, that's nice. Wahala Day. If what's the title of this particular song?
Wahala Day.
Wahala Day. Truly, Wahala Day. And then all these things where they talk, you like say they pain you as they take talk.
Of course, they pain.
They pain.
Yeah, they pain. Of course. Especially, when you know the truth. Say these guys the way they loot all these things now. So if they do the right thing, then if still loot, people don't even put eye for that side. You know, they may not be able to now loot as much as they loot, but nobody really need that much.
But you also feel, say the people follow the aid waiting and as then they take loot. The people say follow the aid them.
Yeah, but
you talk on for beginning of the song, saying I will buy drink for people, then call on chairman.
Yes, no.
You need to loot to be able to buy drink to give people.
But if people feel like say the only hope now not to praise these people to chop, they go do them now.
Yeah, they talk now. So then goes they loot so that because by the time where you consider what you they make plus the money where you need to give people, you gonna need to thief to fit to give them. So na circle na all of us did.
Last.
I don't know whether you understand what
I
I
get
mean.
your point.
Na circle all of us did. Because if to say everybody maintain their champion, what you get, you do okay with them.
Yeah.
You know they ever do okay for anybody.
In the first
You
place,
understand?
yeah.
Leaders they chop, the people they hungry, but yet the people they try to find happiness one way or another. And then other happiness, now we will talk about this micro 20 minutes. Efe Warri Boy inside studio with me this morning, and then we they talk about those happiness. With comedy they bring. How many years now you don't do comedy?
5 years officially.
5 years. 5 years. 5 years. Wow. And then from that time till now, comedy they pay the bills.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, for those of now we don't know if Efe Warri Boy. If Efe Warri Boy, now he day on top, he did with us for flatmates there, and then I be Officer Nusa. Abi?
Yes.
Officer Nusa. Yes, sir. Now he be Officer Nusa. All right, so but then a quick one. Your comedy special where they do as
I was saying. Yeah.
for Terra Culture.
Yes, boss.
But then these whole comedy shows, them way comedians they do. Do they really make much from it?
No.
And so why still go ahead to do it? Now they follow the same people where people go believe say man, don't you clean out, you hammer. Yeah, why when I follow the deceive people?
We know nobody employs for this work now. The only way forward, the comedy show to an artist be like when to a comedian be like when an artist they release an album.
Yeah.
This is not the day where people will come settle and listen to the story where you get to tell them. And all that stuff. So we don't really get choice. Not be every artist will release song that they download now.
Yeah, not true.
So but our own case, as we do and they go one day, the right brands go discover say this thing they work. Because for put gun for people head say me then come and say I can watch you now. Which means say something they did. So very soon they go see them. We thank God say the people who do on top of us they do it rightly,
So when we go reach that level where we go they do just pure comedy, no music, nothing, just like he did for abroad and all those stuff.
Bros, you know say Nigeria na very serious Nigeria guy they do. The thing is aside anything, our style different.
Our style different for everything.
Yes, it's different. We like variety where. So you can't take that away from this there. And because of the fact say everything what they do most for entertainment center around Lagos, you find out say even the comedians and the musicians they be friends. So sometimes when you do the show, the guy will get your interest for heart. He gets some musician will go come in and say the perform for your show. I don't think they know now. Because if I talk no to them, I go need them later. I don't already spoiled burn that bridge.
Yes.
So you go just sacrifice and say, I made this person did there, Just like my good friend Sheon Kuti, now he call me say, okay, I'll support your show. I was so happy, like, I don't believe him. I don't even believe self. I just call him again.
Big shout out to the Big Bird. Big shout out to the Big Bird.
Honestly.
Big shout out to Sheon Kuti.
I just call him again, say, Baba, this talk we talk heavy meal. I won't really confirm whether you will come. He say, bro, now you be my guy, and I go show. As in, the way I tell happy. I me do the graphics myself. I never stand like so those kinds of situations. People when people say people are happy to saying they come.
Yeah, so big shout out to you, Big Bird, Sheon Kuti,
yes,
big shout out.
Yeah.
Because now to get that kind Grammy Award nominee person for your show, no be small thing.
Oh, I swear.
No be small thing.
Yeah.
Somebody post on top here, he talks say the way we our doctors they take waka comot. The thing trend yesterday. I mean, I did before yesterday. Then say 300. I be 300 doctors. Now then they accommodate for inside UK in less than 100 days. And as we dey talk, so more and more people still dey waka comot too. Plus doctors, plus nurses, then they waka comot. And this thing no good for our economy. You no good for our country. Honestly, our minister don't talk before, say anybody wey wan go, make it they go. If they wan go, make them they go. They are not shaking. They are not shaking because they follow use them. They patronize them. Now people wey they patronize them, now them go know as then they take feel. Honestly, the thing no they make anybody happy at all. Like somebody asked me here, he say native doctor say follow. Anyway, then just say doctor. I be vet doctor say follow. I be native doctor follow. I don't know. But all I know is say doctors waka come for this country. And then the thing no good at all. You no good at all. Believe me. Who did the phone line again?
Hello?
Yeah, I greet you.
Hello? Okay, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yeah, I'm calling from GRA. My name is Peter.
Your name is waiting.
Peter.
Peter from GRA.
Yes, sir.
Ikeja own, abi a papa own.
Ikeja own.
Okay, Ikeja. Okay, well done.
I happy to hear your voice.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
I just talked this our leader matter now. I just call it and he can't enter. I'm very grateful.
Yeah, honestly, the thing go dey pain people. Yeah.
Yeah, Ogayo, this country, we don't know what you will talk again as our leader. It's remaining for us. Do the right thing, because if we depend on our leader, Ogayo, I not scared to hear a voice. I never see payment. Wait till when they talk for this Wazobia. If to say this Wazobia there for this country, like 10, just no reach 36. So we just get like 10 for this country. This we follow the cry like.
We follow the cry like this.
Yes, because what was Wazobia they not be say waiting that they listen to. Sometimes why you might tell you, I know they go church on Sunday. I would just allow my children to go, and my wife go to church. Because we said here for this Wazobia, if you say everybody for this country, they hear what you Wazobia they talk. This country for don't go. But our leader, not because even if all the doctors went there for Nigeria, go abroad, you know, concern them because again they go still go when they know where. You understand? Now remember for us, because 2023 don't they come, they don't they share rice now. For some places.
Oh, they don't begin share rice?
Now for you, okay, they don't they bring trailer for that area for this they don't they bring rice. I'm not going to talk one part because Nigeria, they bad, therefore.
Thank you so much, my brother.